Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Sishal and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings Christmas edition. Merry Christmas to everybody who's celebrating. So today I'll be doing voiceover because I didn't have a time and I thought I had to put a video today. So today we will be doing this amazing and delicious strawberry custard tart. If you still have those strawberries which you have inside your fridge, take them out. Let's just get started. So first we will start making our base for the tart. Here I'll be needing half a cup of softened and salted butter. To that we'll be adding half a cup of icing sugar, or you can use powdered sugar as well. Here I have half a teaspoon of salt and cream the butter and sugar well. Here I'll be adding a tablespoon of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. And we'll be needing 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix till it forms very crumbly. Now to bind the rub, I'll be adding ice water 1.5 tablespoon. Add it gradually. Here I have a cling film. I'm just gonna put my dough onto that. Pack it tightly. We'll be refrigerating this for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now we will prepare our custard mixture. Here I have a tablespoon of custard powder and a tablespoon of water. You will be needing half a cup in total, so make it little by little so that you don't form any lumps. Now taking it to stir, here we have 2 cups of milk. To that I'll be adding a half a cup of sugar. Make sure it boils and give that a stir till the sugar dissolves. Now we will add the first part of our custard mixture. This is strawberry flavored. You can use any flavor you want. Since we are doing strawberry today, I'm doing that. Now that I have added second part, now you may see the milk is boiling and we will add our third mixture. Now we will be adding 2/3 cup of strawberry compote. If you don't know how to make this, I have made a video on this. Make sure you click on the top right corner to view that video, or you can add fresh strawberries, that will also work. Now let it boil, let it thicken up and keep on stirring till it turns to your desired consistency. Now turn off the heat. We will bring it to our work surface and make sure it cools down before you're adding vanilla extract. It should not be totally hard while you're mixing it, because while it cools down it will get thickened up, so work it accordingly. Now again, coming to the base of the tart, we have chilled our dough. Now take that out, sprinkle some flour onto it and apply some of the flour onto rolling pin as well, so that the dough will not stick onto it, and roll it out as I am showing you here. Now a quick tip. Now when you want to transfer it to a tart pan, just take out your dough and roll it onto your rolling pin and then transfer it gently. Here I have tart pan applied with butter. Onto that I'll be placing the dough above, and make sure you're taking out the side and then pressing it inside, otherwise it will tear up. So do as I'm showing you here. And now with the rolling pin, I'll just roll it above the top so that without any mess we can tear the sides out. You don't need to pull out or any sort of mess. Now here I'm using fork to prick inside so that it will not puff up. Now for more secured option, here I have parchment paper. Just press it above the dough. And here I'm having brown garbanzo beans. This is just only for the weight, for it to not puff up. You can use any beans. Usually they put the weight especially for this. So I don't have that, so I'm going to be using these beans. I'll be baking this at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. and please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now that this has baked, I will take the beans out and I will bake this for 177 degrees for 10 minutes. Now look how crispy that it came out. Now let it completely cool down before we're adding our custard mixture onto it. Now here I have a strawberry custard which is also pretty cooled down right now. Now we will put it onto the baked crust. Now here I have 200 grams of fresh strawberries and I'm just gonna decorate it above my tart. You can use however design you want, but I'm just gonna go for the classic round. Now place it in the fridge for about an hour to let the custard tart sit, and now you can just serve. Now I'll sprinkle some icing sugar on top for it to give more attractive look. It's done. Enjoy! So if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and do comment below. And please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Until then, ciao!